on a lifeline, wishing, hoping, praying I'll see a sign.
Come on, you silly girl. Come on. Here she comes, Speed Demon with 3 legs. This is Cayenne. She is, her expertise is giving hugs. She kind of sits. She gets along really well. She just wants to be, she wants to be loved. She's not interested at all. She's house trained. We just came outside. Good girl. Good girl. She could care less about the horses or the cows. There's a group out there. Just doesn't even look at them. She wants to play with my dogs, but my dogs are kind of alpha. They're not quite letting her in yet. Come here. Show, look at you go. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. She really likes to sit by the computer and watch you work and occasionally try to get up in your lap. She's, I want to say about halfway crate trained. She sleeps comfortably in there. She's not crazy about going in, but once she's in, she'll stay in there all night or as long as you need her to during the day. That's Cayenne. She just needs somebody to hug her. Oh, girl. Sit. Sit. Oh, okay. Or stand. Good girl. How you doing, baby girl? That's Cayenne. Aren't you pretty?